In this tip, we're gonna learn how to control the luminosity of your images in less couple of seconds. The first things we need to do is to create an adjustment layer of black and white. So we will go here and press black and white. We will get this dialog box that from here we can control the luminosity. Now the first thing I want you guys to do is to change the blend mode of the black and white adjustment layer to luminosity. Now we will be able to see exactly the changes that we apply to each color. So I want to, for example, to make the fire a little bit more brighter. So I'm going to go to the yellows and I'm going to drag it a little bit to the right. Now I will want to do some changes of this red on the hand. So I will take the reds. I want to make it more darker. So in this case, I'm going to drag it to the left. As you can see, it starts from dark to light. I want to create more depth of field in the background, and the background is blue. So I'm going to take the blues and I'm going to make it a little bit more darker. And in less of couple of seconds and couple of sliders, we apply this luminosity change pretty quick. Let me know in the comments which tip you find more useful, and we continue to the next tip.